UI and UX market have seen promising growth in the trending options from all around the world. As the whole world has fallen to digital submission, more and more websites are trying to emerge each and every single day so that the users can get roundabout performances and amazing ratings from all around the world. The new trends which are going around in the market have a ton of promising features to catch on to. For example, most of this user's experience are based on the customer domain and how good they can be for the users based on their simplicity as well. The new growth trend has seen a massive surge in the use of properly managed websites to customer experience charts that can help marketers to collect feedback properly. Since the world has come to a standstill with the help of digital branding and media, these amazing offers and chances are growing to be a stark figure and count. So with the help of this video, we will help you to know about the new user media that is going to dominate the world. Top user enhanced growth and trendsetters for year 2021. Custom enhanced graphics and animations. The integration of three-dimensional designs, that is 3D designs, into web and mobile interfaces has visible explosive growth in the latest months, and understandably so. 3D photos and animations convey to existence significant gadgets to your website and apps, making it possible for customers to recognize the core concepts quickly. UX and UI experts embed custom 3D additives in UI designs to capture customers' hobby and infuse brand personality. Complex animations evoke person participation with dynamic, memorable interactions, making web pages, apps, display even extra irresistible. The peek into the world of VR is slowly gaining a new strand as well. The new world is proving to be effective as more and more people are learning about the user-rich experience that VR and AR can provide for them. This is when the world of VR comes into play, with a world filled with promises and marketers enhancing the user experience for customers to go through their products. VR is surely going to gain a new heights. It will soon be up to newer options and more feedback and can be carried out to the same. With an awesome base, VR will gain ground. UX writing. Now UX writing is one of the UX tendencies to dominate inside the year 2021. Now what does this suggest? Earlier it became a not unusual fashion to fill the UI UX layout platform with creatively adorned phrases.